Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I got some more tool deals for you. These are the special buy of the day at your Home Depot. They got power tools, outdoor power equipment, tool accessories, some hand tools, and nailers. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So up to 50% off select power tools here. Let's go ahead and see what they got. All right, so here we got the M18 fuel. So we got two fuel tools here, a hammer drill and then the impact. And that's going to come with the kit. So you're going to get two 5 amp hour batteries and the charger with that one. But they're also throwing in one of the 8 amp hour batteries. So that's pretty nice. So 3 batteries, 2 fuel tools, hard case, and the charger. This is coming in at $474. Here we got the Ryobi HP 8¼ inch compact table saw. This is the tool only, coming in at $260. Got the rigid impact. This is the 1/2 inch. This is the kit, so you're going to get the 4 amp hour battery, your charger, and then the bag. And this one's coming in at 500 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. So nice impact there, coming in at $129, so pretty affordable. And this is going to do a fine job if you need to switch out some rims and tires, breaking the lug nuts loose, anything like that. And then we also got the rigid 10-inch table saw. This is not cordless. This is the 15 amp, coming in at $279. Got some more Milwaukee fuel tools. So we got 2 setups here. We got the router that's going to come with 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries and the charger, $279. Or you get the grinder, same setup, 2 6 amp hour batteries and the charger, also $279. So nice little pickup there. Then over here we got 3 fuel tools. So you're getting the circular saw, the jigsaw, and the router, coming in at $529. And all the way to the right here we got the rear handle 7¼ inch circular saw. This is coming in with 2 batteries. You get the big 12 amp hour and then also the 8 amp hour battery with the charger. This one's $400. This is also part of the summer doing sale. In case you guys don't know, they're also doing a 3 days to save. And this ends on 6/19. Bunch of different savings going on besides just tools. So if you need some refrigerators, shelving, they got a bunch of stuff going on. Over here we got electric dryer. You guys are looking for some mulch, AC unit, tons of different things on sale. But this is good until 6/19, guys. So that's tomorrow. But they do have 3 days to save also. And you'll see that up here with these special buys of the day. Some of these deals are going to be for today and tomorrow if they're part of the summer doing sale. All right, here we got the M18 fuel one-handed hacksaw. This is coming with the 2 and the 5 amp hour battery. And once again, part of the summer doing sale. So this will be going on until the 19th. $189 for that. Not a bad pickup. This is a fuel tool. They also got the same setup here, but this one's going to be 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries, $279. And then they got it set up here with 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries, coming in at $189. So if you're already in the Milwaukee line, you got chargers. These 2 come with chargers. This one's going to come with the 2 5 amp hour batteries. I just picked this one up for $189. No need to pick up another charger if you guys already have it. All the way to the right here, we got the jigsaw, so a fuel tool coming in with 2 6 amp hour batteries and the charger, also $279. Got the M12 rotary tool, battery and charger. You get the 2 amp hour battery, only $92 for that. Nice hobby tool. And then we got the multi-tool with the 2 amp hour and the 5 amp hour battery and charger. Not a fuel tool, but $189 for that one. And then we can jump into some rigid tools. So we got the 4-tool combo kit, $239. And then all the way to the right here, we got the 8-tool combo kit. This is a nice kit here. This is their subcompact brushless kit. So take a look at everything you're going to get here. Nice selection of tools with this one. Do get a work light, 6 tools, but you're getting 3 batteries, so 1 4 amp, 2 of the 2 amp. You got the charger and 2 tool bags. I think this is a pretty nice pickup here for $549. Here we got the 3-tool combo kit. No batteries with this one, $219. And then here's a 7-tool combo kit for $599. I've seen this one before. This is the 15 amp 10-inch 2-pack of the job site table saws with the rolling stands, coming in at $700. And here is some Ryobi tools. You got the 2-tool combo kit, 1/2 inch impact, 3/8 inch impact with 1 2 amp hour battery and the charger, $129. Not a bad pickup there for some light duty work. And then we jump into some HP. This is their high performance for Ryobi. Here's the 4-mode 1/2-inch impact wrench with the 4 amp hour battery, and then you get the charger too. Pretty nice setup here, $179. This is going to give you 600 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. Then we also got the 3/8-inch impact wrench kit, $119. And we got the 1/4-inch 4-mode driver kit with the 2 amp hour batteries. I think you're getting two 2 amp hour batteries with this one for $139. And then all the way to the right, we got the cutoff tool kit coming in at $120. Back to some Milwaukee tools. We got the M18 fuel. Looks like we got the recip and the rear handle circular saw. You're also going to get the 8 amp hour battery and charger. Also part of the summer doing, so this will be good till the 19th. Coming in at $429. Not a bad pickup there. We got the M18 fuel 1/4-inch hex impact, 5 amp and the 2 amp, $189. And then it looks like we got the same setup here, but you're going to get the 5-inch orbit sander for $189. And then all the way to the right, we got the M18 fuel 1/2-inch hammer drill coming in with 2 6 amp hour batteries and the charger for $279. Got some outdoor power equipment for you. Fuel string trimmer comes with the attachments and the 8 amp hour battery, $489. Got the Ryobi HP mower. This is the self-propelled one, $449 for this one. So this is a self-propelled multi-blade mower coming with 4 batteries, the charger, and then the mower itself is the HP Whisper series. Got some Shockwave Impact Duty screwdriver bit set. This is the pack out with 100 piece for $50. And all the way to the right, we got the string trimmer blower combo for $419. Got the M18 fuel 16-inch chainsaw. Comes with the 8 amp hour battery for $369. We got a few different setups here with the Milwaukee lights, the M18 Rocket dual power tower light, 6 amp hour batteries, 2 of them, charger $279. And they got the same thing set up here with just one 5 amp hour battery for $169. And then all the way to the right here, we got the M18 1 key Rocket dual pack tower light coming with the 12 amp hour battery for $549. Next up, we got some hole dozer bimetal hole saw set, 28 piece, $134. Got some more Shockwave driver bit sets. This is a 70 piece for $44. Got the hammer drill bit set, 10 piece for $19. And then all the way to the right here, looks like we've got the M18 starter kit, which is going to come with the 5 amp hour and the 2 amp hour battery with the charger. So you get your standard charger with this one. But then they're also throwing in the dual bay rapid charger, $189 for this one. And this is another summer doing deal, so this will be good for today and tomorrow. Here's the dual bay rapid charger with 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries for $189. Got some multi-tool blades, some recip blades here. Back to some Ryobi. So here we got the HP 15-inch string trimmer. This is the kit with the 6 amp hour battery for $179. And then we got the 40 volt 16-inch for $179. Pretty sure this is just a tool only. Yep, tool only on this one. This one's got the carbon fiber shaft on this. So some new stuff going on for Ryobi. We got the 40 volt 20-inch chainsaw, tool only for $279. And then we got the 40 volt 20-inch air cannon, tool only for $179. 40 volt battery, 7.5 amp hour battery, rapid charger $229. We got some rigid batteries here. So here we got the rigid 4 amp and the 2 amp. And then it comes with the 175 watt power inverter. Nice setup here. $149. I've had this forever. Buy one, get one on the 2 amp hour batteries for $70. Got the 4 amp hour batteries. Nice deal here. 2 4 amp starter kit for $79. And then we got the Milwaukee right angle adapter with the Shockwave bit set coming in at $27. Got some hand tools and nailers here. Some Milwaukee 3/8-inch 6-point 43 piece impact socket set, $100. Pretty good deal there. Got your HP Airstrike brad nailer kit for $189. 1/2-inch kit from Milwaukee. This is the 47 piece for $179. And then all the way to the right, we got the grease gun, 2 6 amp hour batteries and the charger, $279. Got some nailers here. M18 fuel fencing stapler, tool only, framing nailer. Got the 18 gauge brad nailer, and then we got the 30 degree framing nailer. This one's going to come with a 5 amp hour battery for $400. The M18 fuel framing nailer with the 5 amp hour. So this is the 21 degree for $400. Got a couple Ryobi 18 gauge brad nailer, and then the 16 gauge. Looks like this comes with one battery and a charger for $249. And then finally we see some DeWalt stuff. So here is the Max XR framing nailer kit, 7 1/4 inch circular saw, $449. Porter cable, pneumatic finish nailer for $40. Got some more pneumatic nailers here. We got the 18 gauge by Porter Cable for $30. Got the extreme power for $181. All the way to the right here, we got the M18 inflator with 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries and the charger for $279. Got some more hand tools. So we got the Milwaukee 10-piece screwdriver set for $28. Got the Milwaukee 3/8 inch ratchet set 32-piece for $95. 10-piece locking plier kit for $100. And then we got the Milwaukee 5-inch fixed blade knife for $70. Another Milwaukee impact socket set, 1/2 inch, 29-piece for $140. Got the Empire digital box level with case, $129. This is the 48-inch. And then they got the 24-inch for $100. And then the last thing on the list is the Milwaukee M18 Gen 2 15 gauge finish nailer, tool only, with the glasses for $259. So that's it for the special buys of the day, guys. But remember, some of these are going to be going on for the summer doing sale. So be for today. Last day is the 19th. So that's tomorrow. So some of these will be going on for today and tomorrow. Some of them are just for today. Hopefully you guys found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. You guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.